Your Instagram friend has challenged you to do this problem. They got 4, you're getting 6. How do you know which one of you is right? Well, it all depends on which one of you used the order of operations. PEMDAS. What does that mean? You do everything that's inside of grouping symbols first. Then you do your exponents, and if you have square roots, that would be right here. Then you multiply and divide in order from left to right, and then you add and subtract in order from left to right. Well, we got to look at the work to see what's going on here. So this one starts with 8 divided by 4. We get 4 plus 4 divided by 4 times 2. Then they did 4 plus 4, 8 divided by 4 times 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. On the other one, we're going to also start with 8 divided by 4 because almost everybody gets this right. If there's parentheses, people know to go to the parentheses first. 4 plus 4 divided by 4 times 2. Then, in a strange twist of events, they go to the 4 divided by 4 in the middle of the problem. And we get 4 plus 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. So who did it right? Yeah, that division in the middle. You've got to do all the dividing before you can do adding and subtracting. This is a violation of the order of operations. So 4 is wrong, 6 is right. Now try this problem.